Hello. In this video, we'll be going over the unit transfer tool. You can transfer units from the currently used account to the subordinate ones or between the subordinate ones. The account should possess the dealer rights in order for the feature to be available. The following access rights towards the unit are required to transfer it from one unit to another. Manage access to this item, delete item, edit connectivity settings, and delete messages. Moreover, it is necessary to possess the view item and basic rights towards the creator of the unit and act as the given user towards the creator of the account you want to transfer the units to. The latter, in return, must have the right to view the item and their properties towards the unit from the right list of the dialog of switching accounts. This video will have three separate sections. The first being explanation of the reasons to transfer units, secondly, conditions and example of successful transfer, and lastly, the list of possible problems you may encounter. Part 1. Reasons to transfer units. The major reason of why you would want to transfer units from one account to another is to fix the wrong assignment of the unit that was done by mistake, usually due to lack of understanding of the correct hierarchy of users assigned to all the units in the top accounts. So let me explain what the right hierarchy is and why the correct unit distribution is important. On the right side of the screen, you can see the recommended account hierarchy. This structure helps with many things, including allowing yourself to enable different services more easily with the help of billing plans and list of services, the ability to assign individual history period for each customer, a simpler distribution of access rights for users, the only way to properly use apps such as FleetRun, Nimbus, Logistics, and Hectera, and the optimization and organization of customer account reports. Based on this hierarchy, the units should be stored in the customer accounts. If the units in your service are stored in other accounts, you can correct it in a few clicks using the standard transfer tool. Let's look at some of the examples and ways to detect if the units are in the correct placement of the hierarchy. Part 2. Conditions and example of successful transfer. Let's say the company, Factory 1, has 4 units, and all of them are added to the group Examples. Let's log into CMS, the management interface, under the main account. Switch to the tab Units. Find the units in the list or with the help of the search filter, example by unit group name. You will see where the units are stored now in the column account. If it does not match the name of the client account, in our case it is Factory 01, then you should transfer them. How to transfer. Open the unit transfer tool. It will be available only if your account has the dealer rights and can be found in the bottom left corner of the table. Find the necessary units in the left list. You can use the search by different criteria here also. Select the units one by one using Control or the multiple selection using Shift. Then move the units to the right list. The drop-down menu shows the available accounts for transfer. Select the account the unit or units belong to and click OK. Now in order to see the changes in the table, you'll need to click on the search to refresh the table and see the changes made. Part 3. Possible problems. Why don't I see the right account? In some cases, you won't see the accounts available for transfer in the drop-down menu. Let's try to transfer unit, bad example, to the account. Distillery 50 transfer is now impossible. You see, this may be due to non-compliance with several conditions. 1. The receiving account must be unblocked. 2. The services units and create units must be activated in the receiving account. The receiving user and its creators in the hierarchy must have the right to view item and its basic properties over the transferred unit. If after checking the mentioned reasons in the account still does not appear in the list, or in the process there are other difficulties, then contact technical support. Congratulations and thank you for completing our tutorial on units transfer. I hope by now you feel a little more at ease when operating through our platform. To further extend your knowledge of our platform, check out our other video tutorials for more specific trainings. I'll see you next time.